Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are back, with a new video and with a new product. This is Autofy's, heavy-duty 4 digits number, helmet lock. We have already tried, and made videos on Autofy's other products, to check out that videos as well. We have already used this lock on our last ride. And it worked very well, and we loved it. Its surface is rubberized and smooth, which won't scratch your bike in any manner. This lock's combination is resettable. On our last ride we locked 2 helmets using this lock, effortlessly and safely. We loved this lock, and will definitely recommend it to you.